What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I didn't think we would be doing this or a video like this anytime soon, but I'm sure you guys, by the title, know what happened. We got rid of our Civic. And I'm gonna explain what happened, and I'm also gonna show you what car we got. I'm driving it right now. So this car has always been on our mind every time we see it drive around. I'm like, hey babe, look, look, there's the car we like, or hey, look, there's the car we want. We were getting gas, and I just happened to look online, and I said, hey, this car is available at so-and-so dealership. And my wife was like, oh, let's go look. So we went to go look, and we walked out with it. I'm chilling right here on the fields, but are you guys ready? Oh, snap. This is our new 2020, well, new to us, but a 2020 RDX. And yes, it is the A spec. What's nice about this one, the A spec, this one comes all-wheel drive. And we got it in this beautiful red. Turbocharged, 2.0 liter. It has the K20 in it. I think it's the K20C, I have to double check, which is the similar one to the Accord. The all-wheel drive system is amazing in this car. And the interior is freaking beautiful, man. Like, this is awesome. This is a car that me and my wife really wanted. We walked in just trying to go look, and we walked out with this. So it's cool because it has like your cool seats, obviously heated seats, you know, all your basic amenities. But like, dude, this car is freaking awesome. Like, I couldn't be any happier having this car. Like, I know you guys have seen this car plenty of times around, but dude, like the rear, it looks awesome, man. I'm not gonna go over there because there's a little bit of mud right there. It's been raining once a week right here in California, so I'm not really gonna be I can't really detail the car yet, but yeah, man, we got the car. Dude, it is awesome. This car is great. Now you guys are gonna be wondering, why did you get rid of the Civic? Well, we got rid of a Civic, if that makes sense. Yes, I have a 2020 Honda Civic Si, but if you guys remember, my wife also had a Civic, and that's the one we got rid of. This blue one right here, this is the one we got rid of. It made an appearance on the channel maybe a couple times, but we weren't really serious with it because I didn't want to give up reliability with it. I didn't want to do anything to it, and plus my wife doesn't want a really low car, so this is actually her car. So this is the replacement to her Honda Civic hatchback. And it was a Honda Civic hatchback touring, so like the top tier model, whatever. It was an awesome car, but this was the car that she really wanted. I still have my Civic, don't worry. So, April Fools. Acura RDX, awesome. See, look, check it out. So you guys don't freak out. I still have the car. The only thing that I've done so far was carbon fiber pillar. Shout out to Synth Carbon for that. And if you guys notice the front, I changed the lip again. This one is the one from ABS Dynamics, the Type R style front lip. It has the cool carbon accent to it, so it actually will match the little carbon stuff done to the outside of the car, and definitely looks a lot better than the previous one. The previous one had a gap. I'm sure you guys saw it, but like there was a gap to like right here, and then it just didn't fit because obviously it wasn't for the SI. I believe it was for the sport models, I'm not sure. I didn't want to make another video of me filming it because I've bored you guys way too many times doing this, so I just did this off camera, which is awesome. And I've been talking to Synth Carbon, probably gonna do a couple more things to the car. Oh, they didn't steal my picture. I need to put that on here. If you know, you know. That's going right here. Anyways, I'm going to work right now, but dude, after driving the RDX for 2 straight days and finally getting into this car, it is a huge difference. I'm like in a go-kart in this car compared to the RDX. And what's funny is that when we bought the RDX, it still wasn't ready, so they let us borrow the MDX because we made the purchase already. And dude, that MDX is a freaking tank right compared to the RDX. Anyways, I just thought it was funny because A lot of people forgot that my wife had a Civic. We did a couple things here and there. Anything mechanical, because like I said, we wanted to keep it reliability. But being on the RDX, I'm just glad, and I'm more excited for the motor. That motor can handle, dude. You have the Type R, what people call it childish, too race car-y, it's too Hot Wheels, it's too ricey, because it looks like a Gundam from the front. Then you have the Accord, who made a name for itself because it's able and capable of pushing a decent amount of power. They call that the gentleman's Type R. Same as the TSX, they call it the gentleman's Type R. The RDX, I like to call it your mama's Type R, because that car can push. Yes, it is definitely heavier than both those other vehicles, but it's still got that motor, man. And with that all-wheel drive system, that thing launches off the line stock pretty quick. Ask me how I know. And just to let you know, guys, yes, I'm actually going to be doing stuff to this car. I already told my wife. I'm not going to do anything stupid and crazy and go with like an E30 blend or whatever, but I do want to throw some bolt-ons on it. I do want to get it tuned so that we can see how it really goes as a daily driver. Possibly be lowering it on some Eibach springs, because I already saw which ones I like, and I already have an idea of which wheels I want on that car. So keep an eye on that. I'm not going to say it's going to happen tomorrow or the next video, but keep an eye on that. So thanks to you guys and thanks to the views, I was able to help my wife get her dream car, which is awesome. Also, just to give you guys some more information, I was supposed to be doing the head studs on this car within the next few weeks, but because this deal happened, I decided to give my wife the money instead to help her get the down payment going. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer to get the head studs done. In the meantime, I'm considering just running straight 91, since I'm only commuting to work and back. Unless I'm going to be doing a race with somebody, then obviously I'll fill up with the 85. Still trying to get it dynoed, just waiting on Bruno. Dude is crazy busy with everything going on. But congratulations to my wife on getting her dream car, especially an A-spec package. And dude, let me tell you, man, that car is wonders. I am excited to see what the car is capable of doing, and I'm excited to see what we are able to do to it. Dude, the RDX is so nice. So yeah, as I still here. Sorry to like word it like that, guys, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is gonna be more of like an informative video and whatnot. Been super busy with some personal stuff. Work's getting even busier, so just trying to balance it all out and make time for videos here and there. If anything changes, you guys will know. Oh, also, Synth Carbon, if you guys want to get anything from the website, use code right here and get you guys some percentage off. I think he said 5% or 10%. I have to double check it. I don't remember. But this is the new code right here. If you guys want to check it out and get some stuff off of there. And that should be cool. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.